Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about common intention. Common intention and common object, they fall under the category of joint liability or constructive liability. In joint liability, two or more persons commit a crime jointly and each one of them is liable as if the act is done by him alone in committing such offense. All of them are given the same punishment. However, there is a difference between common intention and common object. Let us discuss what is common intention along with the case law. Section 34 of the Indian Penal Code talks about common intention. When a criminal act is done by several persons in furtherance of the common intention of all, each of such person is liable for the act in the same manner as if it is done by him alone. In order to constitute common intention, there are following conditions which are to be fulfilled. Number 1. Two or more persons involved in the criminal act. Number 2. They must have common intention to commit the crime, means they must have had prior meetings or plans before committing the crime. Number 3. Must have done the criminal act in furtherance of the common intention, means doing the act what they had planned before. Number 4, participation in the action by all the accused, means their involvement in the matter must be consensual. Their physical presence along with actual participation is necessary. It is not necessary that he has to involve in the commission of the crime. If a person joins the offenders and simply stand there, then also he or she shall be liable of the offence. Now let us understand with the help of a case law. Barendra Kumar Ghosh versus King Emperor, AIR 1925 Privy Council, popularly known as Postmaster case. In this case, the accused Barendra Kumar went along with his two companions to rob the post office. Barendra Kumar stood outside near the door and the other two companions went inside to do the robbery. Right? One of those two people opened fire at the postmaster, which caused his death. The two people panicked and ran away from the place without even taking the money. However, Barendra Kumar was caught along with his pistol and he was charged with the murder and common intention. Barendra Kumar denied the charge on the ground that he did not open fire at the postmaster, which caused his death, and he had no intention to kill the postmaster. The trial court did not accept his contention and sentenced him to death, and the High Court confirmed to the decision of the trial court. Then the matter went to the Privy Council and the council agreed to the previous decisions. Lord Sumner said, even if the appellant did nothing as he stood outside near the door, it is to be remembered that in crimes, as in other things, they also serve who only stand wait. By Section 38, when several persons are engaged or concerned in the commission of a criminal act, they may be guilty of different offences by means of that act. Section 34 deals with the doing of separate acts by several persons if all are done in furtherance of common intention. Each person is liable for the result of them all, as if he had done them himself for that act.